Joe Villarices. Once again, this is Nasinda ng Kagadahan 18, your Miss Grand 2024. I'm proud to present to you our lovely candidates. And I thank you. This is Queen Gia de la Cruz Amores. I am proud to represent Purok Uno. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Should I say, good evening to everyone. Standing in front of you, she is candidate number 2. Once again, this is Jaja Angita, 18. I am proud to representing relocation. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, especially to our judges, esteemed guests, and fellow contestants. Good evening. I am Hannah Agustin Villares, 18. I am proud to represent Furokda.
Ladies and gentlemen, especially for our judges and audience. Good evening. My name is Venus Gutierrez Castillo. I'm 17 standard. I'm proud to the honor represent Purok Tres.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Leticia Mira Amasiriaga, 16, representing RGN.
Maayong magabi sa inyong lahat. Bago ako magsisimula, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. I am the candidate number 6. My name is Riala Iso de la Cruz, 17 years of age. And I'm proud to represent Puro Cuatro! What is your music? The bread is empty. Good evening. I am Erin J. Francisco Carrasco,
nag-iwan ng isang kataga. Bakit nga po nanguna ang letter A sa letter B? Attitude before the beauty. Representing Simuling LGBT A+ community.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was a dazzling presentation